If you're looking for dogs toys by Hundesportartikel, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets lovers' most popular dogs toys by Hundesportartikel. Number 1, most popular by Hundesportartikel. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Hundesportartikel. Number 3. For more details about these dogs' toys, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Hundesportartikel. Find these dogs toys by Hundesportartikel at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dogs toys by Hundesportartikel ideas and items to explore, click the info circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.